How to send sound emoji in Messenger. So the first thing to do is to make sure that the sound emoji is available to your Messenger application. To check this, go to your App Store, click on the search icon and type in Messenger. Make sure that this button says open. If it says update, then go update first your application. After updating, open the Messenger application. And once you're in this page, choose a person and a conversation to send the sound emoji to. From here, you should be able to see the smiley face icon, so tap on that. And in this page, you will see the star icon, the stickers icon, and the GIFs icon. Tap on the sound icon on the right side. It should bring you to the available sound emojis. Here, you can tap on every emoji to preview their sounds. And to send them, just click on what you want to send, then it will appear on the top and just hit send. So that is how to send sound emoji in Messenger. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.